You see, it's just that as a man, you have to be a man. As a man, it doesn't matter whether you're eating potato, whether eating a pumpkin or something. You must eat everything.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
So ke tseba gore ena body count ya ma 4 ya odimo ka tseba gore tlo match ngalo wena re ka se kgone go ba le
4 ya godimo.
tshwantse o le 4 le mosadi ya
Go ya godimo.
tshwantse o le 4 body count ya odimo a ke nyang motho 4 body count ya fast cause 4 body count ya odimo ka tseba gore e go texta whether le o tonya wa tseba le gore okay sharp damano nya ka eng.
Mina ngazi. Hayi, iwishi.
So body count e1 a nka o texta o tonya o tlo nomputse raish o sile eng because nna ke nyaka ntshwela.
Hey banna. Nyafeba and angsenandaba like at that point like just fat dog.
Why is it when a guy has a high body count, he's considered a hero, whereas where a girl has the exact number or a figure, she is considered a slut or whatever or a boy? Yeah, sure.
Personally, I think it's for street cred, wabo. To the boys, to the homies, street cred. That's strength, wabo. If I have many bodies, like that strength shows my character, bro.
My nigga.
Wabo. But if a girl does that, it's just the whole. It shows that you're easy. You get. It shows that you're easy, bro. A pothole keeps opening up.
Okay, into yokuqala ne sina ezamajita
Sure.
asifani nabantu besifazane.
Hey banna.
Okay, lokho nje yabona mangathi uyathanda noma uthanda leyo yinto effect le.
Hey banna.
You see, it's just that as a man, you have to be a man. As a man, it doesn't matter whether you're eating potato, whether eating a pumpkin or something. You must eat everything.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
I bet when you're a man, you have to be full, you understand? But when you're a lady, it's impossible. When you're a lady, you must eat one. You must have one body count. Yeah, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Otherwise, you're not my wife.
So ngizokwenzela example njani ne. Abona thina ezamajita ne sifana nama soccer player.
Hayibo.
Umjita ufana ne striker ake ngithi striker. Umjita ufana ne striker. A striker is expected to score like maybe 100 goals in a season.
And then when I rush Oxy, what's your opinion?
Ish, as for a guy, why you wanna tiba a knife? If what that tiba or cut a cake. Why pumu? I would all say cut a cake.
Hey banna.
How he really see. But then cake is young. So it's an avail.
A striker is expected to score 100 goals in a season. Young bam.
Sure.
So mhlawumbe ake ngikunike example njengo Victor Gyökeres.
Okay.
Striker se-sporting.
Sure.
So if a striker scores 100 or more than 100 goals in a season, he's considered world class.
Let him cook now.
Then, as for when it comes to women are like goalkeepers.
Okay.
She's expected to not to concede.
Sharpen guys, thank you for your opinion.
Yeah, that's my opinion, and it's a fact.
It's a fact.
Yeah, it's a fact, that one.
So when if mutwao ana body count ya 1, I can say your wife.
Yeah, na bila ule msadi ya kai. Tshwantse le body count ya ma 4 nyana re kgona match nyana ntshwara. A ke motho body count wa because motho body count wa no tla ba a nkemetse ka di 31 tla ba nkemetse ka list grocery. ke patele gross ya bana and everything. So ke tseba hore ena body count ya ma 4 yo dimo ka tseba hore re tlo match nna le wena re ka se kgone ho ba le
4 ya godimo.
tshwantse le 4 le mosadi ya ka.
4 ya godimo.
Tshwantse le 4 body count ya godimo. A ke nyang motho 4 body count ya fast cause 4 body count ya godimo ka tseba hore e go texta whether le o tonya wa tseba le hore okay sharp damanong ya ka eng.
Mina ngazi. Hayi, iwishi.
So body count one a nka o texta o tonya o tlo no mputse o raish o sile eng cause nna ke nyaka ntshwela.
Hey, banna.
Go drink tea.
Yeah, fun guys. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, it's me. Shout out to me and myself.
Oh, you want to put a shout out?
Yeah, shout out to my mom. Hey, mamzo, tweka, shita, ginamu, katrenda, mama zala, anse.
Everyone. So imagine a goalkeeper, but you've considered like 100 goals in a season.
Being honest, according to my perspective, due to the fact that according to the nature of things, women should be approached. Ne? It means that this woman has been approached by a lot of people and she accepted all of them. Ne? But since as a guy you approach someone, and when you approach more people and you get accepted by more people, it's portrayed as you're a hero. But hey, it's the wrong mentality. Like society has mixed things up. Eh? I believe everyone should be free to express themselves the way they want to express themselves.
Yabona yenza sense. Then nayo enye example nje yami. Thina as amachita we are like ngithini a key.
What?
Okay, it's fine. It's no key.
Sure.
And then women are like padlocks. Umchita like ukhiye okwazi ukuvula iminyango eminingi. It's like a master key.
Yes. Okay.
It's a master key. Sibiza nge-master key. But imagine i-padlock ongayivula with any key.
I think with boys it's more generalized, and it's more common for boys to sleep with many girls because now it's more of a trend than with girls, because with girls it's more viewed as immoral. So take it like this: with boys, no matter how many times they sleep with girls, nothing really goes wrong. Their value doesn't go down. And then with girls, a girl will sleep with one guy, and then she's no longer needed. So I think with boys sleeping with many girls, nothing goes wrong with them. And then with girls, anything like sleep with one guy, and then already it's shy.
A padlock that can be accessed by any key.
Hey, lenzima kakhulu.
When a guy cheats, they don't care. Like, it's okay, it happens. You are a man because you're cheating and all that. And then with women, it's more of a now you're a whole. You're a like,
No problem.
Yeah.
I get you.
just because you've slept with like 2 guys or something like that. But then with a man, he's a hero because it's more of a you are gaining your
Repetition.
yeah, basically. So I don't know.
Okay. But for me, Bafetu, I still will tell you something that's in my mind when it comes to this topic. Because in this topic, like, there's no double standards. If you sleep with many people, I would consider you, if you were a guy, I would consider you as a man whole.
So vela akuna safety ke lapho. So ayibona leyo nto. But
Sure.
one thing engiyaziyo nje yami lento yokubuza abantu ama body count uthi what's your body count nani. There's no way uthi whether ubuza umjita noma ubuza ucherry le number le yakutshela yona ihlezi wrong. If kuwumjita uzohleze increase. Yayibona? Because vele angithi ama-cheaters you are expected to have a high body count yabona.
Okay.
So if umjita uzohleze increase. If uwuchiri uzoyehlisa. If actually uthi yena i-body count yakho uchiri, if actually uthi i-body count yakhe mhlambe u2 noma u3. Double that number, man.
Because of societal values, right? A woman is looked at as a more valuable aspect, and them having a higher body count decreases their value as a woman because they respect more of their bodies than we do as men, right?
Why?
It's just how society based it on. That's how we grew up, you know.
Let me put it like this. It's like here it is. You have a thingy, you have a bolt, and you have a spanner. The more the spanner works, the more experience it becomes. The spanner handler, the more they're graded high. As a mechanic, the more you fix cars, the more higher value you have, the more in demand you have. But then with a car, if a car has a higher mileage, does it increase with the value or does it decrease? But then with a car, if a car has a higher mileage, does it increase with the value or does it decrease?
My nigga.
Because as soon as you buy a Mercedes, it's only nice when you just bought it.
That's to depreciate.
Yeah. And as soon as it leaves the garage, it depreciates because it's being used. You can't grade something that's used to be higher than the user.
Yeah.
You get, you are being used. I'm using you. Who's gaining more experience here? I'm removing something. I'm taking something from you. But knowledge-wise, I'm gaining something from you. Because the higher the body count of a man, the more experience you become. But as for a woman, the higher body count, the more loose you get. You get.
Yeah, boy. What's happening? Huh?
What do you mean by loose? The more multiple sizes are going in and out.
Hey, man.
You get, multiple sizes are going in and out in you. So those different shapes are gonna stay there. But with me, if I go into this one and go into the next one, you won't even see that I went to the next one unless if I show you how experienced I become.
Hey, man.
Minimum 6.
Kuzoba 6. Yayibona?
Sure.
Because ukhumbula ukuthi khona all over laba abama friends with benefits. Yeah, namayithi kwena ilo i-body count yakhe u3. Mhlambe yena ukutshela ngama-boyfriend wakhe mhlambe like ama-ex yabona. Owaba-boyfriend awu-3.
Ama-boyfriend awu-3 ngesikhathi siwanye yenzeka phela yenzeka lelo kaya le-favorite wakhe phela.
Hey, man.
Yeah, flopo gore jo maothi tshwantse vele body count ya bona e be godimo ntshwa cause ke bona ba irang tshwantse baje.
Definitely, I'm here to enjoy life. I'm not here to suffer.
Ntshwa then banyana seriti sa bona jo tshwantse se be se segolo ngwanyana o itse a na le motho mo one re mo consider motho o leng sharp mo bophelong wa bona so if o na le di-body count tse baya ai wa bona le wena.
Danke mfana.
Eyakho bhuti wami.
Okay, I'm with you ukuthi do gonna it's something ukuthi okay fine when body count ngomjita inkulu ngiyachirda inkulu okay kumajita is understandable ngiyawuchira ngiyanthola because ke understandable okay umjita vele ngasho si Indian nature ukuthi babe kanje so angeke ngisho ukuthi cheat and stuff in but cheating for umjita is Indian nature because noma uhleli la umjita uzosho intombazane but ngeke uthola uchiri noma sihlela lo mjita lo lo mjita lo nje yakubona so kuba like kusemjiteni lento vele ukuthi asambe ngoshare like kuphuma even like bancane buchela bazokushare mara umjita vele maybe kuphuma endlini athi nge mall or uyavala maybe uzobuya maybe na 5 inamba.
Hey, man.
So I feel that saying or that opinion was really formed by men because they're the ones who actually feel like the hero when they sleep with a lot of people and whatnot. And when the girls, when they see the girls actually sleeping with a lot of people, they don't like that. So they just call them like hoes or whatever they call them. So yeah, really, I think men are the ones who had like an influence in making this opinion form. You feel me? So yeah.
Thank you, Winston. What about you, my boy?
I'm good. I won't say anything, right? But I will say, now don't consider a guy who's sleeping a lot of girls a hero.
Yeah.
I will call him a hoe.
A man
He's
hoe.
yeah,
Yeah.
he's also a hoe because like you can't go just sleeping around having multiple sex partners.
Avoiding STIs and stuff. Avoid.
Yeah.
So, do you believe like if you have multiple partners, the thing called soul ties? Do you believe in soul ties?
Yes, I do.
You believe in soul ties, right?
Yeah.
You believe in soul ties, right?
Yeah, I do.
So the best option of decreasing everything is like abstaining or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, sex before marriage. That's how it should be actually. So,
Nyafeba and Angsenandaba, like at that point, like just fat dog.